Hi friends, good morning to all. Now I am going to show you Pratapgarh railway station, which is in state called UP UP, and it is one of the districts railway station in UP. So this is the railway station that I am going to show you. This is very busy, but now I have come here to take a pic, and I am going to travel from Pratapgarh to this Anand Vihar, Delhi, NCR. So this is I'm going to show you that it is very busy, but now since I have come in the morning, that is why the people are not busy. But after sometimes the people will come, and you can see that the coming of the people are this increasement of the people are there. So it is what I'm going to say is that this is the one. Okay, so let us, I'm going to pick this railway station, and I'm going to show you different shops, and small canteens are there in this Pratapgarh. So the people also are coming now. It is a morning time, and the trikeman also is a trikeman, and is collecting the information about the trike. And I'm here to say you all a very happy journey. Okay, goodbye. See you tomorrow.